to you all, guys. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are visiting for the first time, don't forget to subscribe, please. Alright, so today's class we'll be discussing solving simultaneous equation, one linear, one quadratic. Now, here we are given a question here to solve. We have to solve this simultaneously. Xy minus 4 equals 0 and 2x minus 5y minus 3 equals 0. Now, to solve this, what we need to do is just write in solution, rearrange this constant stamp, take it over here. Then we have xy equals 4. Label that as equation 1. And this rearranging 2x minus 5y equals this coming over here equals 3. Equation 2. So you can use any of this equation, either equation 1 or equation 2. Just make one of the variable the subject of the formula. Now let me use equation 1. From equation 1, let's make s the sort of formula there. Then we have to have x, when we divide through by y, equals 4 over y. Label this as equation 3. So put x equals 4 over 3 into equation. We got equation 3 from equation 1. So let's put this in equation 2. So you put this in equation 2. So in equation 2 says 2x minus 5y equals 3. So it means whenever we're having x, we should put 4 over y. Then we're having 2 into 4 over y minus 5y equals 3. Then we simplify this out. 2 times 4, that's 8 over y minus 5y equals 3. Now to clear this y at the denominator, use the y to multiply all through. So multiply through by y, then we're having y times 8 over y minus y times 5y equals 3 times y. Then here we'll be having this to cancel this, and we have 8 minus, this is 5y squared equals 3y. And take this over here. Then we are having 8 minus 5y squared minus 3y equals 0. On rearranging, we have to have minus 5y squared minus 3y plus 8 equals 0. So we arrange this and we got this. Now, on looking at this, let's make this coefficient, let's make it positive by multiplying through by minus 1. Then we are having minus 1 times this, that's minus 1 times minus 5y squared minus 3y times minus 1 plus 8 times minus 1 equals 0 times minus 1. Then this minus times minus, that's plus. Then we have 5y squared minus times minus, that's plus 3y plus times minus, that's minus 8 equals 0, because 0 times minus 1 is 0. Then we're having this. So we solve this quadratically using factorization method. So compare this with ay squared plus by plus c equals 0. On comparing the two, we have a to be 5 and b to be 3 and c to be minus 8. Then we look for a times c. Our a times c is 5 times minus 8, which is minus 40. So 5 times minus, that gives us minus 40. Then we need factor of minus 40 that add up to 3. That is two numbers that we can, that's 2 digits rather, that we can multiply together, that will give us minus 40. And when added together, we have 3. And that's that will give us minus 40. That's minus 5 times 8, which is minus 40. And minus 5 plus 8, that's 3. So we split this middle term 3y into minus 5y plus 8y. So this expression will turn to 5y squared. Instead of writing plus 3y here, we write minus 5y plus 8y minus 8 equals 0. Then we group together the first two and the last two. The first two here is 5y squared minus 5y together plus 8y minus 8 together equals 0. Then here 5y is common here, take it out. 5y will be left with y minus 1 plus 8 is common here. We'll be having 8 into y minus 1 equals 0. Then we pick 1 out of this. So y minus 1 into 5y plus 8 equals 0. So this means y minus 1 equals 0 or 5y plus 8 equals 0. So this means y equals 1 or 5y equals minus 8. So this means y equals 1 or y equals minus 8 over 5, which is minus 1 whole number 3 Now we need to look for the other values of x. We've gotten the value for y now. Values of x. Then we write at y equals 1 from equation 3. From equation 3, we have x equals 4 over y. Now at y equals 1, so x equals 4 over 1, which is 4. Similarly, at y equals minus 1, minus 8 over 5. Then we have x equals 4 divided by minus 8 over 5. Then we have x equals 4 times. This will go up, this will come down. Minus 5 over 8. And 4 goes here 1, 4 goes in 8, that's 2. So x equals minus 5 over 2, which is equals to minus 1 whole number, as minus 2 whole number rather, minus 2 whole number 1 over 2. So the solution set of this simultaneous equation are at x equals 4, that's 4, and y is 1. And at x equals minus 2 whole number, 1 over 2, y is minus 1 whole number, 3 over 5. So the solution set of this simultaneous equation are 4, 1 and minus 2 whole number 1 over 2, minus 1 whole number 3 over 5. So that brings us to the end of today's class. Thank you for watching the video. Do not forget to subscribe. Thank you. Love you. Good day.